Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break with Matt. Today we got some 2021 Heritage, and I know a lot of people are tired of seeing these get open, but seriously, it's all I can find, guys. So, headed down to another Walmart, and when I got there, they had about 10 packs right here, but they were limited it to one pack a person. So I got one and my wife got one, guys. So these right here are 15 cards in each pack. They are the value packs, guys, so don't expect nothing huge or big out of these for sure. So here we go. We're gonna open up the first one, see if we can get anything decent. It'd be cool to find an autograph in one of these kind, but I highly doubt it. So here we go to start us off. We're always after those rookies. We got Nelson Cruz, got Most Valuable Player Award card, Charlie Morton, Nolan Arenado, Antonio Senzatella, Miguel Andujar, Jake Cave, Joe Jimenez. We got the great one, Roberto Clemente card. Got Lance Lynn, Yandy Diaz. We got a AL pitcher leader, Shane Bieber, Garrett Cole, Marco Gonzalez. Got Kyle Schwarber. Got Chris Paddock. And then we got Ke'Bryan Hayes in action rookie card. That's really cool right there. So probably the best thing that we're going to find out of that pack right there would probably be that Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie card. So real quick, just going to check through this pack, make sure we didn't miss any short prints. The short print base is going to be the number 401 to 500. So real quick, just going to check for that. So there we go. There's one right there, guys. We got 491. That Joe Jimenez card right there. That's a base short print. And never quit looking, because I have before found two in the same pack of the short print base cards, guys. So now what I'm going to look for is variations. And if you look on the back of a card, right under that number right there, they should be some writing that'll tell you if that's a variation. So you ain't even got to look at that code down at the bottom. So real quick, just going through, and we don't have any, right? So the best things out of that was that Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie, and then we got this short print. So let's go ahead and open up pack number 2, or pack B as we call it, and then you guys let me know down in the comments which was the better pack. Was it pack A or is it pack B? So here we go. Let's go ahead and get that opened up. Alright, got it caught right here at the top, just a little bit. Alright, there's one hanging in there. Alright, well, the good rookies is always at the bottom, and it started off at the front because it slipped right on out. We got the Alec Bohm rookie card right there, guys, so we're going to definitely go ahead and stick that up. So we got the contest going on with the better rookie, better pack. We got Randall Grichuk, Keston Hiura, Alex Cobb. Got David Peterson and Andres Jimenez rookie card. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Justin Dunn. We got Dane Dunning, Zach Birdie, and Matt Foster. We got a flashbacks. President Harry Truman passes away. Austin Slater, Rick Porcello, Brett Anderson. We got Nelson Cruz, Jose Peraza, got Jose Altuve. Wait a minute, that's not Jose Altuve. That's strange. Well, look at that, guys. That's kind of weird, but yeah, there we go. So, let's go ahead and look through these right here and see if we got any short prints. And we do not. So now I'm going to look for variations. And there is not one, guys. Alright, so what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Do you think pack A was the best or pack B? I'm gonna say I really like this Alec Bohm guy, but I haven't been watching this Cabron Hayes. But from what I'm saying, everybody is really souped up about his upcoming rookie card right there, guys. So what I'm gonna say is I'm gonna pick pack A was the best pack. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that like button down below and hit that little bell so you don't miss a video. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.